Hey guys, welcome to Kushdan. My name is Abhishek and today we'll see the OnePlus Nord live wallpapers, APK files and video files. If you know that yesterday OnePlus Nord has launched now, you can, if you are in our Telegram channel, you would have seen the videos of OnePlus Nord AR launch. Here, these are the videos we have posted. I will link the Telegram channel description link below. You can join that. So let's head to the wallpaper section. So for first, you have to go to the description link and download the wallpapers APK or video files, whichever you prefer. I'll suggest you to download the wallpapers APK so it can be used in any Android devices. So download it by using the link below description and you can use it on your Android devices. The main difference between the APK files and the video files, that is the video files are of a high format and you can use those especially on the old OnePlus devices. If you have OnePlus 60 or OnePlus 5 or any other OnePlus devices, you can use the video files directly on your OnePlus devices. There is an app in those zip files you have to install. I will explain in the tutorial later in this video. So firstly starts with the APK files first. You have to download the RAR or zip file application. So you have to open the zip file which is you have downloaded earlier. So I have downloaded the RAR software from the Play Store. So you can download it also. And after downloading, open it and you have to open the same files that you have downloaded from this software. So let's open it and I will now browse to the downloaded files. So here in the download section, and there is OnePlus Live Walls APK files. So I will click on that and extract these APK files. Let's just select all the APK files. There are 4 wallpapers there, so there are 4 APK files. Let's click it by one and extract them. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I will now extract it. So now the APK files will be come out from the zip file and we have to install it one by one from the file manager. Now go to the file manager of your smartphone. I will go to mine and let's find the extracted files. Go to download and there will be extracted folder of OnePlus Live Walls. So let's click it and install these APK files one by one. So I will install it. These are 4 APK files for 4 wallpapers. So you have to install it all the 4 or you can select any of them if you want. Now go to Play Store and search for the wallpapers app. You can use any wallpaper setter app, but I will suggest you to use the Google Wallpapers app. It is easy and simple. So you can use and download the wallpapers app and now open it. So we have to find the live wallpaper section, scroll down below and select the live wallpaper section. Here you can see all the 4 wallpapers located is here. So you can use any of the wallpaper and set it as your lock screen or your home screen. So I will set one now. So let's set the one wallpaper and I will set it as my home screen. So let's see how it looks. So I have set the wallpaper now, and after locking the screen it will work as a live wallpaper. So good thing about this wallpaper is your battery will not be consumed much because the wallpaper will stop after 2 seconds. So whenever you unlock the smartphone, the wallpaper will be live. So now let's see the video wallpaper section. So if you downloaded the video wallpaper section or zip file, so you can extract it the same as we did before. So after extracting, there will be video files and one is a APK file which is required for the OnePlus devices. So if you have OnePlus devices, you can use this APK file, so it will replace your original wallpapers and it will install these video wallpapers right away. So if you have OnePlus devices, install that OP wallpaper resources APK, otherwise ignore that. So now to set these video wallpapers, you have to download another app named as a live wallpaper setter app, which is available on the Play Store, which is small in size. So let's search it now. So I will search as video wallpaper setter app and there is a 2.1 MB small app, so you can use it. So I will download it now. So you can use the any video on with this app as your live wallpaper. But remember one thing, that the video wallpaper will be not as the APK files, it will be continue on loop and it may consume the more battery. So you can use it if you want, but it will look better as the wallpaper is on high resolution. So I will open this app now and select the video which I have extracted earlier. So I will search for the video now, and here they are. So I will set any wallpaper as my live wallpaper. So I will select any of them, and with this app you can use like cropping the video or reducing the length of the video. You can use any of them and you can customize it. So I will set this as my wallpaper. So after clicking on the top right corner and then set it as a wallpaper. So you can see that now the wallpaper is on the loop. Even after the 2 seconds it will continue on the loop, so it may consume the more battery. So it's your choice if you want to use it or not. If you like the video, do hit the subscribe button, and you can join our Telegram channel or Facebook page for more instant updates and fun. So see you in the next video.